What's going on, guys? Your boy Red Eyes back with another video. Today we're doing a little quick one. We're doing a little install repair on the wagon. I've been having this issue probably since I got, or a little bit after I got the wagon. I used to drive it a lot when I got it, and quickly learned that was a really bad idea. The first thing that happened was that needs to be replaced is that one time I took it somewhere and somebody when you're older, bro, you know who you are. Somebody thought it was fun to climb on the window, from the window to the roof, and sit on the roof. Man, I remember that day clearly, but anyways, they ended up breaking my fucking antenna. You can see broken, so it has issues with the radio, and I don't really want to change the stereo yet. I will in the future, but for now I'm going to change the antenna. I've had this shit since as long as I've had the wagon. Well, I got it a little bit after it broke, but I haven't had a chance to repair it. And this is the brand new antenna right here. It's not brand new, but it's for the wagon. So we're gonna change that shit too. And then the stereo was bad on the wagon. The cassette keeps jumping out, and something it takes in, something it doesn't. So I got two stereos right here. We'll see which one works, which one doesn't. So right now we're gonna take out the antenna. All right, so we gotta take out the stereo. So we gotta take this cover off, and I think there's a screw right here. This one here. And I believe we have to take this one off. So there's one here and one over here. So we're gonna do that real quick. Stereo, these two bolts, and I think we should just come out. Hell yeah, and this is what the stereo I got. This is the one I chose. I don't know if it's supposed to be doing this shit, but it's kind of quick. I like it. Bam, baby. And let me see, let me turn it off real quick. These punk ass hoes. And that's all I can hear because I'm gonna get copyrighted. I'm sorry. I just want to show you guys that it works. But it's quick, baby. Look at that. I like that it works. The other one, sometimes you put in the CD. I mean the CD is my bad, the cassette, and it wouldn't play. And yeah, like most of the time I used to go to the shows and shit. And sometimes they're hella far away, like Sacramento and shit. And I would have to drive without music. Or I got my ghetto ass speaker. Sheesh, thanks. Shout out to my speaker for holding on with me. It's blue. Yeah. Anyways, So we got the stereo down. Now we're gonna do the antenna. I gotta get the like a rope or something to attach it so that when I pull out the wire, I can drag it back in. All right, let's do it. All right, guys. So here's my little. This is my rope that I'm gonna be using to pull it. And this is how I put it down on some tape. And no, it's not no paper painter's tape. This is like a outdoor tape. It's like a plastic. I guess it's kind of like the electrical tape. It's not. I can't find electrical tape, so I use what I had, but it's not the paper one, so it's gonna hold up a little bit tighter. Right now we're gonna take off the bolt on the top. So we're gonna go up here. We're gonna take off this bolt and the bolt on the back. One is a flat head. Gotta be careful. Hard to do things with one hand and holding the camera. Tug on it, slow and steady. Don't tug too hard because you might break it or something. So last minute, I chose this rope to this smaller one. I know what you use it for. I use concrete first. And this one, I put two just to get one rips. Hopefully it doesn't help it on here. It's pretty up there now. It's not going back now, guys. Wish me luck. That shit broke. Fuck. That didn't work. Well, let's see what we do to fix this shit. We gotta figure something out. Fucking shit. We'll see how we can run a line down there somehow. Alright guys, so I finally found something, and I guess we're working with my material from work. So I have this baling wire, I think it's called. We use it to tie rebar and shit, and I shoved it in through here. It took me a little bit to play around with it. I had to, make it work. And goddamn, I got it out here. So now we're gonna hook up the antenna and hopefully run it back down there without this cracking. I have another one there just in case, but I don't want to fuck up this one. Alright, so let's try this again, baby. Yeah. Hell yeah. I don't know if I just recorded all that or not, but I was able to get it to the other side. Yeah, baby. That's exactly what I needed. Now we're just gonna feed this tube thing in. End up like that. So we're gonna just feed it on the bottom. And feed it all the way in. Yeah, baby. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Alright, so just gonna turn this into place. lost my antenna, baby. It was almost a fail video today, but it was not. You just gotta be patient and move that shit off so it slides right out. Hell yeah, guys! And just like that, we got the new stereo. We also got the antenna. It's working great. Obviously, I can't test it due to copyrights, but I can show you guys it works. Yeah, take this shit out. Close the door. Then we don't hear that beep beep. Let's see. Hopefully, they're just talking. Once I start Elena Pinderfuse, some more joy in my mood. But yeah, there you go, guys. Can't show you much, but it works now. The antenna works, not broken anymore. So yeah, that's how you replace your antenna on a 88 to 91 Civic. I think it should be the same. The stereos look the same. So yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll be doing a little bit more install videos. The next one is gonna be that plastic cover that is behind the license plate cover on the hatch. Mine's cracked a little bit, and somebody told me to do a install video, and I've taken them off, so I kind of know what I'm doing. It's kind of tricky for that plastic. Sometimes people break it and shit. I've seen it in the junkyard. They're broken. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like I keep saying that shit. I don't know why I say it a lot. Anyways, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.